Hey kindergarten, if you're watching this video, we have a snowy day and we are doing an asynchronous or offline learning so that you guys can have some time to have flexibility to go play in the snow. Yes. All right. So hopefully if you've gotten this far, you have watched the video called What Do You Know About Snow? If you haven't watched that video, you need to go back and watch that video first and then come back and do this activity. So if you're watching this right now, make sure you've watched What Do You Know About Snow. So if you've watched that video, I want you to think about what are some things we learned about snow, okay? So that video, I thought that video was really interesting. It did a really good job of teaching us different facts, things that are true about snow. So we're gonna come, I'm bringing you over here closer to me, over to my whiteboard, and I'm going to write the word snow at the top. And then we're going to talk about some of the things that we heard in the video about snow. What did you learn about snow? We learned that what color is snow? Snow is white. Very good. And boys and girls, just so you know, you don't need to write anything right now. Just watch and listen, okay? Watch and listen. What temperature is snow? Or is it snow warm, cold? Snow is cold, right? Very cold. It's frozen. What kinds of snow are there? There's dry, powdery snow. I'm going to write dry / powdery snow. And this snow, boys and girls, is dry, powdery snow good for snowballs? No, it just falls apart in your hands, right? And then there's wet and packing snow. Wet packing snow, okay? Is that good for blizzards? I'm thinking about my next word. Is that good for snowballs? It sure is. Now, I don't know what kind of snow we have right now because I'm making this video before it snows, but I hope we had the wet packing snow so that you guys can build snowmen and make snow forts and do all that fun things. Speaking of fun things, what kinds of fun things can you do in the snow? You can make snowballs. You can make snowmen. You can go sledding. You could even do, I'm going to write up here, snow angels. Okay. All those things. And you probably can even do more, but I just ran out of room. Okay. What shapes do snowflakes come in? Does anybody remember what shapes they said snowflakes can come in? If not, I'll help you. They can look like stars, okay, and have pointy ends, or they can have what's called needles at the end, okay? And then sometimes we have really big snowstorms called blizzards. And if there's ever a blizzard, we should not go outside until the blizzard is over. Okay? And then one other thing. Where does snow come from? It comes from clouds. Very good. So when the clouds have enough what's called moisture or wetness inside of them, and the temperature is just right and the ground is cold, snow can fall from the clouds and lay on the grass just like it did and give us a snow day, a virtual snow day. So friends, here's what we're going to do with the list. I told you not to write anything yet. What you're going to do is you're going to get your winter journal. You're going to open your winter journal to the next empty page. Okay? This page. You're going to just use the white side. Okay, just use the white side. I'm trying to get this so that you can see it. You're going to draw a 4 square. So I'm going to move you back. and I'm going to lay this straight. Go pause this video, grab your journal, a pencil, and that's it, a journal and a pencil, okay? And I'm gonna flip you around. Whee! All right, when you have your journal and your pencil, unpause the video. Trying to get this centered. Oops, nope, that's the wrong direction. There we go. Now, friends, I'm gonna use a marker. Why do I use a marker? So you can see it better. You're gonna use a pencil, okay? We're gonna draw a 4 square. We should be 4 square making experts by now. So we're gonna draw a little rectangle in the middle. Okay, draw your rectangle. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause this, okay? All right, and then draw a line coming down. Draw a line coming up. Draw a line coming out. Draw a line coming out. Guess what we're going to write about today, friends? Snow! We're going to write about snow. So I'm going to write and then I'm going to tell you it's O. Obviously, we hear the O. But then there's also a W. S-N-O-W. Go ahead and write that down, friends. S-N-O. Okay, and I'm going to bring you back up to me. Ready? Whee! Hello. So now, this is what you're going to do. It's a little different than what you've done before. You're going to just do a 4 square today. But instead of doing our normal 3 squares, today I want you to do 4 squares. So you're going to pick from our list that we just kind of brainstormed, you're going to pick 4 facts that you learned about snow. Snow is white. Snow is cold. It can be dry and powdery. It can be wet and good for packing. Snowstorms can sometimes be blizzards. Snow comes from clouds. You can make snow angels, snowballs, snowmen. You can go sledding. Snow comes in the shape of stars and the shape of needles. So you're going to pick 4 of those things. Any 4 that you want. And you can pause the video to kind of see, what we kind of talked about. You're going to put 1 thing in each square. 4 things. So maybe you say snow is white. Snow is cold. And maybe you can say it's packing snow, and then maybe draw a picture of a snowman to show you packed the snow, and that you go sledding. Okay, so that's just an example. You're going to write words to go along with your picture. So you're going to do 2 things here. Let's review. You're going to write the words, whatever you're going to pick. 4 things from behind me, and you can pause the video or rewind the video as we write those things, okay? You're going to write your 4 words that you learned. 4 facts about snow. 4 things about snow that you've learned. Then you're going to come back and you're going to draw about each picture. So if you write sledding or sled, you're going to draw a picture of you or someone sledding, okay? If you wrote that snow is cold, then you're going to draw maybe snow and something blue to show that it's cold, okay? Or a thermometer. You could draw a thermometer, have a grown-up help you. It's just kind of like a long oval, and then have blue at the bottom because that kind of shows cold, okay? So you and your grown-up can kind of work together to pick your 4 facts, and then you're going to draw a picture to go with each fact. So it would be a word and a picture, a word and a picture, a word and a picture, and a word and a picture. We're not going to do sentences today, guys, okay? You're just going to do a word and a picture, a word and a picture, a word and a picture, a word and a picture for 4 facts. Now, pictures are made with, let's see if I have it close by. Pictures are made, friends, hang on, with colors, okay? I don't want pencil pictures unless they're colored pencils. I don't want black pictures. I want pictures with colors, okay? Snow is white, but sometimes snow can be blue to show that it's cold. okay? If you're drawing a person sledding, that person should look like a person, okay? And have color and clothing, coats and snow pants and things like that. Take your time, have fun, be creative. I want to see all those artistic, we have some really talented artists in kindergarten, okay? So friends, you're completing your Foursquare for today. And then you and your grown-up need to upload this. Sorry, I had to flip this around. You're going to upload this into Lincoln Learning. Your grown-up's going to do that for us today. Okay, so that is your writing for today. I hope you have fun, and I hope you get out to do some of these things in the snow. Make snowmen, make snowballs, go sledding, have fun. And I will see you soon. Bye, friends.